Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do lobster on guitar step by step. Place your index finger as a partial bar on the 5th fret, then pick a steady pattern with thumb on bass and fingers on treble strings. Keep dynamics soft at first, and count aloud 1, 2, 3, 4. Loop the phrase until your timing and tone are consistent, then gradually increase tempo while keeping the line relaxed and musical. Focus on hand mechanics to make the lobster phrase sing. Anchor your picking hand lightly near the bridge so the thumb can move steadily between bass strings while fingers handle the melody. Use alternating thumb motion to keep a constant pulse and avoid tension in the fretting wrist to ease position shifts. Practice short segments, gradually linking them, and always prioritize clean notes over speed to build reliable muscle memory. If you are enjoying the lesson, please subscribe and like the video to help me make more content. Quick recommendation: I love the socks I use during practice. They stay comfortable on long sessions and feel worth the investment. Look in the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Set a focused routine to learn lobster efficiently. Divide the phrase into manageable 4-bar sections and work each until transitions are smooth. Practice with a metronome, raising tempo in small steps only after you can play cleanly at the current speed. Record yourself to catch timing or tone problems, and schedule short daily sessions rather than long occasional ones. Consistent, deliberate practice will make the pattern feel effortless and musical.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.